Hi, my name's Lynn from WTI.
These towels are so soft and very durable and strong. I can also shine up my silverware. These soft towels never leave a scratch and buff up the silver to a brilliant shine, just how I like it. These are really nice and easy to use to dry my dishes. They catch the water very nicely and dry up the dishes, shining them beautifully for me. See, I have spilt some water here and they clean it up really nicely. Notice there's a nice little loop here for hanging them up. These dish towels are awesome for shining up my stovetop. I love it when my stovetop shines. I'm very happy with this package of dish towels. There's plenty, so I don't have to worry about not having one on hand when I need it.
These tea towels have been very handy for me and very useful in my kitchen. And that's my point of view.